Welcome to the Biomedical Engineering Service channel. Today we're diving into the advanced features of the STH-N150DM series horizontal steam sterilizer, a state-of-the-art sterilization solution designed for high efficiency and reliability. The STH-N150DM series is engineered to meet the stringent demands of medical and laboratory environments. Its robust design ensures consistent performance, making it ideal for sterilizing a wide range of instruments, glassware, and other materials. One of the standout features of the STH-N150DM is its spacious chamber, which can accommodate large loads. This means you can sterilize more items in a single cycle, improving efficiency and workflow in your facility. The user-friendly control panel offers intuitive operation with a clear digital display. You can easily set and monitor parameters such as temperature, pressure, and cycle time, ensuring precise control over the sterilization process. With multiple preset programs and customizable settings, the STH-N150DM provides flexibility for various sterilization needs. Whether you're dealing with delicate instruments or heavily contaminated items, this sterilizer has you covered. The integrated steam generator ensures rapid heating and consistent steam production, resulting in shorter cycle times and reliable sterilization outcomes. Plus, the advanced vacuum system ensures thorough steam penetration and efficient drying of the load. Safety is paramount with the STH-N150DM series. The sterilizer is equipped with multiple safety features, including automatic door locking during cycles, pressure and temperature monitoring, and an emergency stop button to ensure the protection of both the operator and the equipment. Maintenance is a breeze with the STH-N150DM. Easy access to key components simplifies routine checks and servicing, minimizing downtime and keeping your sterilizer running smoothly. Here's a quick overview of the key specifications of the STH-N150DM series. Chamber volume, 150 liters. Temperature range, 105 degrees Celsius to 135 degrees Celsius. Pressure range, 0.21 MPa to 0.23 MPa. Cycle time, variable based on load and settings. Built-in printer for cycle documentation. Experience the perfect blend of efficiency, reliability, and safety with the STH-N150DM series horizontal steam sterilizer. Upgrade your sterilization process and ensure the highest standards of hygiene and safety in your facility. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on our latest products and innovations. Thanks for watching, or